Hi, my name is Dr. Whitney Gaskins, and I'm the Assistant Dean of Inclusive Excellence and Community Engagement for the College of Engineering and Applied Science at the University of Cincinnati. I'm excited today to talk to you a little bit about my office and SMES. So the Office of Inclusive Excellence and Community Engagement is the office that helps support all of our marginalized populations in the College of Engineering. So we help support women, veterans, students of varying ability status, underrepresented minorities, and so much more. We are so happy about the work that we do to support you, the students. I love to talk about SMES as well, which for those who don't know, is the Society of Multicultural Engineering Students. We formed this group to help all of our affinity organizations work collaboratively and have a safe space. So all of our students that are part of SACE, ACES, SHEP, and NSBE, we are excited to have this organization to support you. Without further ado, let me hand it over so you can hear about all of those organizations that make up SMES.
Hello, I'm Emily Casasola, co-president of the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers at UC. So SHEP is a nationwide organization that's been around since the 1970s. And it was created by this group of Hispanic engineers who noticed there's not a lot of us in this field. So they had this vision of helping and supporting the Hispanic community realize their fullest potential and push them into pursuing STEM fields and careers. So SHEP is really about pushing and empowering the Hispanic community to pursue STEM and to really develop 5 main aspects, 5 pillars: leadership, professionalism, community involvement, academics, and your chapter, your family.
Hey everyone, my name is Jeanette Kuhn-Sam. I'm the president of the National Society of Black Engineers, also known as NSBE. Our mission statement is to increase the number of culturally responsible Black engineers who excel academically, succeed professionally, and positively impact the community. Our mission and our core values are fostering a community within UC while also helping out the community around us, and also making sure that we're giving back to the community and making sure that we're helping people graduate in their collegiate experience. I hope you all join our organization.
Hi, I'm Melanie. I am the president of the Society of Asian Scientists and Engineers, otherwise known as SACE. And SACE is a relatively new organization at UC, and we basically have 3 pillars or missions that we go by. First one being is that we prepare Asian heritage scientists and engineers for success in the global business world. The second one being that we celebrate diversity in the workplace and in the local communities. And the third pillar being that we always provide opportunities for members to give back to the local communities and on campus. So even though we're a relatively new organization, we're always welcome to new members, and we hope to spread success for Asian heritage students.
For my co-op experience, I worked as a project manager at an engineering consulting firm, and I was able to learn about the business side of engineering and what it takes to complete an engineering project from start to finish. And I also got to collaborate with other engineering disciplines such as electrical engineers. And it also introduced me to the non-technical side of what you can do with an engineering degree. My name is Al, I'm a chemical engineer, and I'm a part of NSBE.
For my first co-op experience, I worked at a small Sunnyvale-based company. They're called Infinera Corporation. They came to University of Cincinnati's and were doing interviews, and I was able to score an interview with them. And there was a technical interview and a regular interview, but once I was able to pass those and one of the managers saw my resume and liked it, I was able to work there. So I moved to California. I was gonna stay there for an entire co-op rotation, but then COVID happened. But I'm still working for them remotely, and hopefully by next year I'll be back in California. But basically what I did there was I wrote test scripts, like code, to test out the machines they used with other companies. I can't speak too in-depthly about it, but that's the gist. My name is Laura. I'm in computer science, and I'm a part of SHEP.
From my co-op experience, I've had the opportunity to co-op with large and small companies, understand different areas of computer science such as data analysis, software testing, and web development. So my first 2 rotations were with GE Aviation, and my most recent is with a Cincinnati-based startup called MRI Online, whose goal is to provide radiologists with continuing education resources to sharpen their MRI expertise. My name is Troy Meadows. I am a software engineer and I am a part of NSBE.
For my co-op experience, I've worked in the defense contracting industry. The current company I'm at right now is called ICR Incorporated. They're a newer kind of company, so they deal a lot with reverse engineering, software engineering, etc. Some of the work that I've done at ICR has dealt with circuit board design, FPGAs, etc. They do a really great job of teaching first-time engineers some of the things that real-life engineers would deal with. And eventually, when they gain that knowledge, they actually bring engineering co-ops to work on those projects. My name is Lindsay Romero. I'm an electrical engineer and I'm a part of SMES.
For my co-op experience, I have opportunity to learn more about the job and apply what I have learned in class. I have all of my co-op experience in New York City. I help with create design layout to clients, and I also coordinate with the construction teams to maintain the efficiency of the project. My name is Mark Wu. I'm an architectural engineer. I'm a part of SASE.
For my first co-op, I worked at a company, and then I kind of realized for my second co-op that I wanted to do research. So basically, I found my co-op advisor, and she helped me create my own research co-op. I found a professor at the university that worked with the things that I was interested in. For me, it was seismic technology. And basically she took me under her wing and I got to do research. I was able to get the funding because of the SMES office and an LSIM scholarship that they helped me find. And they're the reasons why I was able to have this opportunity for my research co-op. In my research co-op, I got to work with graduate students, PhD students on their thesis and final projects. And I also got to work with girder testing, seismic technology, and I even helped a PhD student with their hotbox. It was such an amazing and rewarding experience, and it was all because of SMES and their help. My name is Amber Alvarez Garcia. I'm a civil engineer, and I'm a part of SHEP.
Thank you for getting to know us, and we hope you consider joining SMES. Join SMES and you can make an impact and really make a difference.